Let's understand the difference between may versus might. These two terms are quite frequently used, but the difference between them is not clearly known to us. There are two primary differences between may and might. The first one says may shows a higher degree of possibility, and might shows something that is less likely to happen. So let's try to understand may. It shows a higher degree of possibility. That means if you say I may come late tomorrow, that means the possibility of your coming late is far higher. But if you say that I might become the CEO of General Motors, that means it is very, very unlikely. It is quite wishful. So you might say that I might land on the moon someday, or I might climb Mount Everest one fine day. So whenever the probability of something happening is highly, highly unlikely, in that case you should use might. If the probability is very high, then in that case you might use may. This is the difference between may and might. The second difference says here that you should use may in the present tense when talking about a current situation and might past tense when talking about an event that happened in the past. For example, here in this, when you say, I am tired, I may go home early, it shows that you are basically in the present tense. But suppose if some kind of possibility was there in the past, you could have said he might have visited Japan before settling in India. So basically, what we have here is the past tense. You can say, I might have reached office on time if I had got up early. So this is again going back in the past, and you say some kind of possibility would have been there in the past if something might have happened. So you would say, I might have reached office on time if I had got up early in the morning. So these are the two basic differences between may and might. I will repeat again. May shows a higher degree of possibility, and might shows something which is highly, highly unlikely, something which is very wishful, something which is highly, highly improbable. In that case, you should use might and not may. Thank you.